Want to know what exactly worked for me on YouTube this week? I'm talking real stats, real growth, and lessons you can use right now. I checked my analytics, and guess what? Some of my views came from YouTube Home, others from UpNext, and a good chunk from search. That means something is working, but what exactly? In this week recap, I'll break down video by video so that you can see what's pulling in viewers, how it's happening, and how you can apply the same strategy to your channel today. If you are a new creator, this is the kind of insight I wish I had when I started. Simple, raw, and real-time growth tips straight from my own journey. Hit like, subscribe, and follow along every week as I pull back the curtain and show you what it really takes to grow. One week at a time, let's dive in. And now, on to my weekly recap, guys. I opened my YouTube studio and then I saw this notification from YouTube and then I went to check. Sincerely, this is just to motivate someone out there who may be creating, may be feeling down, not motivated, you're not getting views. If you could but adopt the right strategy, then you're going to be winning. Take the YouTube sends your weekly analytics to you, your weekly performance. And I'm here to share my weekly performance with you. So firstly, let's go to our weekly recap. The first thing I say, I created 5 videos and 20 posts. 5 videos and 20 posts, that's one. And the next, he said that 274 people tuned into you. Wow. 274 watched my channel. Next, here's how people found you. The first option was UpNext. In other words, why people are watching videos on YouTube. Most time when it gets to the ending and you are seeing UpNext, it means my video is often popping next. Ah man, this is mind blowing. UpNext, in other words, as someone finish playing one video, my video is also popping out among other people's videos. Ah, this is massive. This is massive. The next is YouTube Home. Wow. Wow. YouTube Home. It means my video is being displayed on YouTube homepage. Ah. Wow, wow, wow. This is a sign that I post high quality content. They say at times, you like to praise yourself. At least I try. I post high quality content. If my content is not quality, my content should not be posted on YouTube homepage. It means my content displays on YouTube homepage. Wow, wow, wow. As well, shorts feed. This is great. This is great. This is great. Next, this is what they watched. The first day is say this YouTube took my videos global overnight. Ah, this was my most viewed video during the week. Then one that follows is get ready for monetization with these monetization tips. With these documents, so that is one of my shorts. That short really got a lot of views, and I'm trying to grow my channel and monetize faster. I'm putting more. I already know the code for shorts, but I don't want to base on short because most times when you just post shorts, but if you guys can encourage me, those of you watch my shorts, you also watch my long form video. I will also be posting shorts. But for now, I just want to discipline posting long form content. When my subscribers have reached 50, then I'll start going live too. I'm currently at 25 more to go. But guys, I believe within this week we can hit 25. So if you are just watching this video now, hit the subscribe button to make me reach that goal. Alright, the next I followed it was the YouTube change everything. 88% new subscribers. Okay. The next, he said people didn't just watch, they reached out. People didn't just watch, they reached out. Wow, wow, wow. First, he said I got 79 likes during the week, 1 share. Oh, guys, please be sharing my video now. Share. 26 comments. Alright, so, and I said let's play a game. What was your most viewed video last week? Of course, this YouTube tool took my videos global. That's my most viewed view. Alright, another aspect I would like us to go to is how viewers find your videos. How viewers find your videos. In other words, how viewers saw my videos. Okay, let's check. Viewers find your videos in many ways. This is good news. This is good news. He said they saw my videos in many ways. Okay, so let's check. First, most people find your content here. UpNext. Wow. UpNext. Next, there's that, and that occupies about 40%. 40%. Wow. 21% YouTube homepage. Wow. Then 19% short feed. This is massive. This is massive. UpNext offers content related to the video that is playing. Are you getting that tip? UpNext, it offers content related to the video that is playing. And now I said top videos leading viewers to more of your content. Wow. Top videos that are leading viewers to more of my content. Wow. So one of the videos that lead to my content, one is this YouTube tool took my videos global overnight. The next is custom thumbnails versus auto-made thumbnails on YouTube. The next is this is one step to go viral on YouTube. Father. Okay. The next he said home is what viewers first see when they visit YouTube. In other words, people that are even opening YouTube, whether they are in my niche or not, my videos just show. What would make a new viewer choose one of your videos? In other words, when my video is being top ranked, there are tendencies that they will go and say, who is this person? Let's visit his channel. These were most found on the homepage. Okay, these videos were most found on the homepage this week. The first video is what's changing in YouTube monetization rules. The next is translate your videos to any language instantly with this tool. Okay, these are the content that were mostly found on the homepage. Wow. Next is this YouTube tool took my videos global overnight. Okay. They now give me further talk. Said the short feed lets viewers swipe through short form videos, hook viewers' attention and keep them watching till the end. Wow. So he said these were most found in the short feed, my videos. The first that I posted about a device, and then now I talk about documents you need to get ready for monetization. This is massive, guys. Imagine how people will find your next creation. Keep that in mind as you create and package your content. Watch for more details on YouTube search and discovery. Wow. Wow, thank you so much, YouTube. Thank you so much. I am really, excited, happy by this analytics you sent me, and I'm going to put in more energy this week to ensure that I give quality content. All right, guys. So that's up for my weekly recap. Stay tuned till next week for my next week recap. Thank you so much. And remember, I post videos daily. This is just an episode that comes once in a week, this weekly recap. Alright, while the others, I drop a video on YouTube every blessed day. Stay tuned to my channel. Always come back to watch for more. Thank you so much, guys.